Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to log in a Workday app. Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to log in to the Workday app. First, make sure you've downloaded and installed the Workday app on your mobile device. Head to the Play Store, tap the search icon, type in Workday, and press enter. Once the app appears, tap install and wait for it to finish downloading. When it's ready, open the app and you'll see a login button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it. The app will ask for your organization ID. If you're unsure what it is, tap the Find Your Organization ID link at the bottom. You can locate your ID by logging into Workday on the web and checking under your profile menu in My Account. Or you can ask a coworker for it. If needed, you can also try re-entering your full company name. And for any remaining questions, your organization's HR or IT department can assist. Once you have your ID, enter it, and you're all set to log in and access Workday on your mobile device. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.